Ready? I need to go into the mode. Maybe you need a friend with benefits. You can't make me laugh.
I'm hiding.
Are you tired of working alone? Maybe you need friends with benefits, but not the benefits you're speaking of. Okay. Not the benefits you're thinking of, because we're thinking of, then I make it seem like you've got a dirty mind. Yeah. Okay. Are you tired of working alone? Because maybe you need a friend with benefits, but not the benefits you're thinking of, you dirty mind. The benefits I'm speaking of are being able to work with your friend from MotionLab.Berlin. So if you refer your friends to MotionLab.Berlin right now, you and that person in the third month could get 30 euros off your membership. So don't wait any second. Come to the front desk or come to me and find out how it works and sign your friend up now so that they can benefit from your benefits. That was weird. They can benefit from your benefits. Okay.